But there's one game I play. You can make friends on visual way without worrying about your identity. This game called roleplay, or we always say it RP or RP. And I'm gonna tell you how to join this game. And first, you're gonna need a Telegram app. Everyone know Telegram, right?
Yes.
You can download it on the Play Store or App Store. And second, you can make an account on your Telegram app. The app will teach you how to make it. And next, you're gonna tap on search icon in a Telegram and type like this.
Beneran deh.
After you write like this, you can search it, and the screen will show you a lot of a channel. You can choose one of them. After you choose it, you can promote yourself on the channel like this. You can put your face character, your nickname, some word, and your username. For example, I will use Jenny Blackpink face character. Jenny BP. My nickname on my roleplay is Claire. I need a fan best. Fan best means family bestie on roleplay slang. So I will write like this. Need fan best. And don't forget your username so everyone can type it. And don't forget this icon so everyone can tap it on your what name? ID like that. After you write like this, you can send it into the channel. But it takes too long time, so you can tap on someone else and text it. Remember to be kind. There are people too. And maybe you're gonna get a boyfriend.